FOBs to Somali National Defense Forces. We witnessed a developments on the battlefield where Somali security forces have provided the increasing capabilities. We have seen the forces attack, social and hold ground. This is a strong signal to the terrorist groups that the days of terror are numbered. A professional, trained and well-equipped Somali security forces is ending a game changer in the fight against terrorism in Somalia.
This day, SNA take their responsibilities. I would like also to thank the Somali government through SNA, on the other hand, which take responsibilities. I would like also to thank all partners which helped and supported ATMIS and the Somali National Force.
Is going to start with the opening remarks.
sababta ah ma jirto waxaan ku qiimeyn karno dhiigii aad ku daadisay dhulkan maantana maynan soo gaarneen inaan cagahayna ku istaagno oo difaacan la wareegno haddayna dhinac naga caawinada kala ftigina.
As part of the handover process, UNSOS is gifting United Nations owned equipment to the SNA contingent taking over. We expect that these technicians will in turn train other colleagues so that they will also familiarize themselves with the equipment.
Thank you. لا حول